Hi guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to Beauty by Chick. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little Sephora haul. My kids and my hubby, they all got me a gift card for Christmas, and I have been meaning to go to Sephora, and I've been meaning to get my hands on Fenty. I did get a tester initially, so I did try the foundation, and I actually really liked it. So I've been meaning to get my hands on it. One of the first things that I got was the foundation, of course. It comes in this packaging, and my color, my shade is what? 445. Oh, that is so cool. I had no clue that the shade, the swatch is on there. So that is my color. I hope it's my color. I mean, it's looking a lot like my color, but I hope it's not. I don't know. I thought mine was 420. The last time, the sample that the girl gave, but this girl gave 445. And I went in there already wearing makeup, so I don't know if, it could be off, but we'll see. The concealer that I got was 410 because obviously when you get concealers, you want to go 3 shades lighter, 3 or 4 shades lighter. Now the samples that I did get to redeem my Sephora points are these Tarte, what is it called? Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. So it's called what? Drink of H2O. And what it is like it's like not a serum, but more of a gel to hydrate your face. And I actually have been really liking it. So that's something I might get my hands on. I did pick up 2 because I did have enough points to pick up 2. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to try to apply it right in front of you. Right away looking at it, it looks a little dark, I think. I don't know. Ignore my makeup station in the back. I do have a vanity tour coming, but I have to do a vanity cleanup. So maybe I'll actually do a video on that. Maybe I'll do a video on that before. So the brush I typically use, I went to go use it just now and the handle fell right off. Talk about ghetto. Oh my gosh, I think I like this, but I think it might be, I don't know if it's a shade too dark or not really. For those of you watching, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are, if you think it looks dark or not. And I'm trying to use my camera here as a mirror. It goes on really, really light. That's crazy. At first, I thought, could have sworn when I bought it the first time, I felt like it was a lot thicker. For some reason, it's feeling really, really light on the skin. So as I'm applying it, it's feeling like I have nothing on, which is kind of weird. And it does look like skin. It's looking like skin. Wow. Like I actually feel like I have no foundation on. It makes me want to apply more, which is not good. So you guys could see I had a little bit of hyperpigmentation before, not a ton. I don't feel like I have a ton to cover, so I don't generally have to conceal. I never conceal my face, ever. And I'm very thankful for that because it takes so long. I mean, it would take so much longer. My foundation routine is usually like a minute long. But I'm really liking this. Wow. Okay, Fenty, go on, Rihanna. I see you, girl. I see you. Like, guys, seriously, you could see my before and my after. And I think I am slaying the heck out of this foundation. And I'm talking, guys, I'm a basic. I'm definitely basic. I'm definitely basic in the foundation, in the makeup world. I'm a woman who loves makeup. I love to wear makeup. I love to buy it, but I mean, from what you see, my routine, oh my gosh, I got a hair in it. I don't go overboard. So for me to just show you what it can look like in like a second, I think that goes a long way, as opposed to like a guru who might know what they're doing and, they're expert at applying it and all that jazz. This is just your basic average, chick. No pun intended, even though my name is called Beauty by Chick on here. It's called Beauty by Chick, even though I've got a lot of other stuff going on my channel, because it's very much a part of my everyday, what do you call it, routine. All those other things are very much a part of my everyday life. So I keep debating. And guys, don't forget your neck when it comes to foundation. I usually don't put a ton because I don't want makeup to transfer on my clothes. And sorry if I haven't looked at you guys once, but I'm looking at myself in the mirror as I'm doing it. But I don't want makeup to transfer on my clothes, so this is why I don't do too much on my neck. But yeah, back to what I was saying. As of late, I've been trying to figure out what to do about the name of my channel. I'm trying to revamp because I'm posting more and I want to have more of a schedule. I want to have Makeup Monday, which is the day when I post about makeup. I want to have TTC Tuesday, where I just touch base with you guys about, you know, for those of you who are following me for TTC stuff. And I don't know, I've got to come up with something for Wednesday and Thursday, you know. But this is it for my Fenty foundation, y'all. Can you tell I'm feeling myself just a little bit? So I'm gonna take a little pause to get the thumbnail for this video. So that's it for the foundation, y'all. The foundation, okay? The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys the concealer. Because I got one. I was hoping I could have gotten another one. And I might actually swing by there and get another one. We'll see. Powder on and do maybe some mascara or something, and then I will come back at you guys in a second. So there you have it, guys. I tried the Rihanna foundation and I tried the Rihanna concealer and I like it. It's definitely popping. It's got my skin looking really just fresh, and it doesn't feel heavy. I have to admit, you guys know I've been wearing drugstore. Well, actually, you guys don't know anything because I don't really post all my makeup on here and talk about it in the way I should, but you guys saw my last review on foundations, and the foundation that I put out were drugstore, and you know, this one is on a whole other level. So I guess you get what you get what you pay for. Because another thing is, I put it on my hand to put it on my face, and it took I really had to rub to get it off, which makes me concerned about how I'm going to get it off my face. But in terms of transfer, I feel like it's going to stay on pretty darn well. I am pretty pumped about that, which is so cool. I don't know, because it just wears, it looks like it wears really well, and it will, you know, just hold up. Winter is not an issue because the weather is dry and all that other stuff. So any kind of foundation I feel like can go, but I will report to you guys and letting you guys know how it holds up on my crease and my laugh lines, because I do laugh. I laugh a lot. I like to laugh, and those are my problem areas. If the foundation isn't good, you can definitely tell. So we will see what happens, what the future holds when it comes to this foundation. But overall, I am actually loving it so far. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and much love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, leave a message down below. I'm going to start doing Makeup Mondays and including more makeup on my channel. So I hope you guys are on the lookout, be on the lookout for that, and just see what else I have to bring. I have another video coming up of me trying to do falsies because I've got a box and I never wear them, but I really should start, and so I'm going to start practicing. So you guys, you know, be on the lookout for that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, y'all. Much love. Bye.